Okay, good evening, dear children and Mr. Me. This is the course English Conversations in which my group number is 6. My name is William Dioscos. I am 35 years old. I am an English student at the Open National University, UNAT, and I belong to Sede de Palmira Valle. I am taking my 10th semester of Bachelor of Arts in English as a foreign language. I live in Candelaria Valle with my grandfathers and some cousins since 2005. I work in a bakery from Monday to Saturday. As a baker, of course. In my free time, I used to teach English to a group of students from different grades when they need my support. On the other hand, when I am studying, I usually visit my girlfriend every 15 days because she lives in another town. But on my vacations, I visit her every weekend. My email address is williamriascos@hotmail.com and my cell phone number is 312-299-2892. My experience. My first experience began when I was in high school. I had a difficulty with my English teachers about my scores, so I had to start studying more and more to avoid some difficulties with my teacher. Since then, I had more interest for English, and I told myself, I am going to study English and I will be so much better than my English teacher. When I finished my studies of high school, I moved to college, and 2 years later, I decided to study English in a language center called English Now Institute in Palmira. But I had to drop out my studies because I went to work in the Pacific Coast for 1 year. Then, when I came back to Candelaria, I enrolled at the UNAT to begin my career of Bachelor of Arts in English as a foreign language. So, what I learned during my process at the language center was very interesting because one of the methods or strategies used in this institute was more focused through the conversational class, where we have to practice our speaking and listening skills in a face-to-face environment. As well as I want to emphasize that reading and writing are other aspects that help me to improve all my skills so far. For example, at the university UNAT, most of the activities proposed in each level have been very important to improve my English speaking. In the same way, I use other strategies such as listening, Bowen Radio, that is a Spanish program where I can practice my listening skill and at the same time my speaking and writing because I try to repeat what I understand and take notes. And finally, I also used to listen AJ Howe. He is a master's degree in teaching English. This teacher gives some important advices to improve our speaking skills like a native speaker. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.